In a small community in Barangay Zone 1A, inside the Reyes compound, is an old hidden arc bridge that existed way back in the Spanish era. Its structure still stands strong despite its age, as it is made purely out of adobe. This construction ingenuity is yet another testament to the era where they belonged. With the assistance of the barangay officials, Brightways Academy conducted a cleanup drive to contribute to the effort of its potential restoration.
You shall not throw trash in the river, for it can cause like pollution and more natural disasters. Maybe we should have like discipline or something.
Naglilinis tayo ng basura dito para malinis yung lugar. Sana wag na magtapon ng basura dito sa ilog.
Tulay Castilla, yan pang original, hindi siya nabago. Bricks, ganyan, may arko. Buhay pa yan. Mga aqueducts, inabot pa yan dito at saka dito. Mga yan ang nasayang na hindi naman dapat nakikita ng mga tao para manawaan nila yung nangyari ng mga pag kinukwento mo ngayon, hindi ma-imagine ng mga tao paano ka nabuhay ng gano'n.
Yung mga nangyari noon at saka yung mga places na yun nga nakakalimutan na back to talagang pag inisip mo talaga, maaalala mo pa. Ngayon talaga totally malilimutan mo na. Lalo yung mga kabataan ngayon. Yung sumunod na generation, wala na. Hindi na nila alam yun.
I'm happy that we are helping here in this place, making it clean again.
We have found the local resident, Mrs. Cedes Bernal, to ask about her knowledge of Tulay Castilla. According to her, the running water beneath the bridge used to be clean and boulders were seen before, making it a good spot for families to wash their clothes and for children to play.
Kasi ang kwento niyan, daw yan panahon pa ng Kastila. Ayan na daw ang pinakamatandang tulay na dito sa buong Dasma. Hindi yan sementong talagang inano nila, yung bang binutas. Noon, malinis yan. Diyan kami naglalaba.
Kasi sa amin sa Riverside yung karugtong nito. Nabot ko pa yun, malinis.
Diyan kami naglalaba nung araw. Diyan kami naliligo yung mga kabataan nung araw. Malinis yan.
Nagagawa natin yung activity natin, yung nakalinis tayo sa itong don't throw trash in the river or in the ocean because it will cause a flood.
Histories of places like this are being forgotten. As of now, its existence and story are only being passed down through word of mouth among the elderly. It is important for young people such as these students to be part of efforts like this and be reminded of the rich local history of the municipality that is often unrecognized.
Thank you kasi nag-lend kayo ng time para matulungan yung Barangay Zone 1A na linisin yung sa Tulay Castilla. Maraming kilos ng basura tayong na ilipit, So sana maging rin sa inyo ito na hindi lang isang araw. Yes, hindi lang isang araw lang dapat kahit sa bahay natin, matutuloy tayo maglinis. Maging responsible tayo para sa surrounding sa atin, sa mga dagat. Kasi yun naman ang kailangan. Kasi pagka nagtapon ng basura sa ilog na kahit isang ano lang yan, apektado na.
The potential of this old Tulay Castilla in Dasmariñas, Cavite is significant in remembering the history that surrounds the place. Its existence is one of the pieces of evidence of life during the Spanish colonization in the Philippines, which lasted for more than 300 years. Through initiatives such as cleanup drives, we are encouraging people to contribute to the maintenance of places like Tulay Castilla through discipline and collective effort. It is a reminder that through small, meaningful actions of individuals, we can take another step towards cultural preservation and restoration of Tulay Castilla.